You loved everything that I'm supposed to be. You'd seen me from afar, and you knew I'd be that girl, the one from the movies, who is so different and mysterious, who will swoop in and save you, with dyed hair and bright colors, so different, she's the same. When I said I liked comic books, you couldn't stop your grin. When I said I liked Star Trek, you literally skipped. I was that girl you'd always dreamed about, the one with the smile showing a gap in front teeth, which was just ugly enough to be beautiful. Weren't you lucky? I was your paper doll. Dress me up, drag me along, shove my arms and legs into position, but I don't move that way. Pull me too far and I'll tear your picture of me. The one you keep behind bulletproof glass because you know it's authentic. When will you realize it's a fake? With colors too bright, brushstrokes too neat, clean and complete, the original is not fit for your museum wall. I like comics, but not the right ones. You can never love a girl who knows more about Robin than Deadpool. I'm a pixie cut and a passion for dinosaurs, but that's not what you want. You want cookie cutter hipster nerd who knows what to say, whose life is scripted, who reacts on time. Cue the laugh track. Why don't I think this is funny? Plug your numbers into the equation, I'll spit out the solution, but you couldn't get your problems to fit. X and Y were already claimed. You forgot I have issues of my own. You latched on to the similarities, didn't think that we would differ. I am not your mere image. More like a foggy window, you refuse to see my own opinions. The preview was better than the movie. We all know the feeling. I'm sorry the critics have found me subpar. You wanted a blockbuster. You got a 9th grade class project, complete with shaky camera and stuttered lines. This isn't what you were promised. You loved what I thought I would be, and when your vision didn't play out, you were done. Didn't stay for the credits. I am a film that could not be directed. Did you ever think that I'm more fit for page than screen?